What up? Let's unbox this. Oh. Okay, here's scissors. Just in case. So. Okay. Almost done. Okay. Okay. So I got everything. Almost everything. Okay. So here's the burn. It looks really nice right here. Here's the back. Here's Fireblaze. Pretty cool. Here's the metal spike. Pretty sick. I like it. Yeah. And here's 135. Okay, so I'm gonna put this all together, and I'm just gonna have the finishing touches. So this is fail video. Kidding. Okay. Okay, this doesn't fit in. Okay, so here's the bay. Okay, here's the bay. Here's the fistful. Oh, why does it do that? Oh, sorry. It's this stupid webcam. Okay. Oh, so I have a tool. Okay, stop dropping. God. Okay. Here's the fin. Sorry guys, it's just stupid webcam. Okay, here's the finished product. Very, very nice. Oh, and I also forgot the code. I'm not really gonna give away the code though. So, yeah. I won't be opening the launchers.